Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi to all. This is a video continuation of the first video just now. So previous lesson we learned about how do we draw how do we draw nets of a solid, where you just open your solid and you will get the net. Net is just a 2D representation of a solid, which is that one. Okay, so still in this video, take out your exercise book, copy the examples on the board. Anything that I write down on the board you need to copy, and I will give two questions at the end of the video so that you can need to try to answer on your own. Okay, any problem you can simply text me. Okay, if you don't know how to do, just text me. Okay, or you can just WhatsApp me lah. Okay, so the previous one we learned how to draw the net. So what is the purpose of drawing nets? Is because we want to identify how many surface do we have for the solid. Okay, because later you will be asked to calculate the area of the surface area of a solid. Okay, so when you open, I use the square just now. Not square, I use the cube just now. When you open your cube, you will get something like this, for example. Okay, so how many surface do we have? If the question asks for find the surface area of this cube. Okay, it is closed like this. Find the surface area of the cube. So first step is you try to imagine, do it inside your mind. You open it, you will get a net like this. Okay, so when you want to find the surface area, you calculate how many surfaces do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 surfaces. So you need to add. You need to calculate the area of each surface, and then you just add all 6 surfaces. Okay, so add one by one. Calculate one by one. Okay, so I decide. Let's say I put this is not the one we are doing this one now. Okay. Okay, so let's say this is our solid, which is the cube just now. This is the net now. Okay, I denote the side as 2 cm because it's a cube, means all sides are equal to one another. So this is also 2 cm. This is also 2 cm. This is also 2 cm. Here is also 2 cm. Here is also 2 cm. Here is also 2 cm. 2 cm here, 2 cm here. So cube simply means we have same side, same length for all sides. Okay, so to calculate the surface area of a cube, you calculate the area one by one. Okay, so the first surface, that is just 2 times 2. Finding area, side times side only. 2 times 2, that is just 4. The same goes to the second surface, still 2 times 2. Third surface, still 2 times 2. So for each surface, you get 4 cm square. 4 cm square. The unit for area is cm square. Okay. So now to find the total surface area, so surface area for the cube. That is just equals to, how many 4 do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 4. You can use times, you don't have to use bracket. Times 4. That is just 24 cm square total. That is your answer. Okay. Done. Okay, this one you don't have to copy. Copy this one now. Okay, copy. Pause the video. Copy. So the question asks us to. Okay, I click away. I remove this one now. I remove. Okay. So now the question asks us to find what is the surface area of this prism. Okay, so if you can draw the net if you want. If you don't want to draw the net also, it's just fine. Okay, let's say we try to draw the net. Okay, when I open this surface, when I open this solid, this is the net that I will get. Okay, this is the net. Okay, this is the base now. Remember, you need to draw together with the dimension. Okay, with the correct dimension. This is the base 20, this is 5, and then this is like the front one. This is for the front one, where when you open this side, open it. Okay, that one will be 13 cm. That one will be 13. Okay, I bring down the front cover here. I bring down, take down. I get 13 here. This one is still 20. And then at the back, put that like that. Now this is 12. Okay, this is still 20. And then we have a triangle. Try to push down that triangle. You need to do inside your mind. Try to push down the triangle here. Push down, so you will get something like this. Something like this. Okay, with the right angle triangle. Something like that. Right angle triangle. And this is 12. This is 5. This is 12. This is 5. So question asks for the surface area. Question asks for the surface area. Question asks for the surface area of this prism. So you calculate the area one by one. So let's calculate the first one. This one first. Okay. 20 times 12. Use the calculator. Okay. So use the calculator. 20 times 12. You will get 240. 240 cm square for the first surface. Second surface, that is 20 times 5. You will get 100 cm square. Third surface, that is just 20 times 13. 20 times 13. So you will get 260 cm square. How about that one? It's a triangle. How do we calculate area of a triangle? Area of triangle is 1/2 times base times height. Which one is the base? Which one is the height? So this one is the base. The 5 cm is the base. Which one is the height? Height must be perpendicular to the base. Is it this one? Is it this one? So it's not, because remember, height must be perpendicular. So it's 12. The height is 12. So it's 1/2 times 12 times 5. So you will get 30 cm square over here and 30 cm square over there. Okay, so now to get the surface area of that prism, you just add all surface area. So therefore, the surface area that is just equals to 240 plus 100 plus 260 plus 30 plus 30. So straight away you simply use your calculator. 240 plus 100 plus 260 plus 60. You will get 660 cm square. So that's how you do, okay? You open the solid into nets first, and then you calculate the surface area one by one, and then you just total up, just add everything. I have 2 questions for you guys. Please copy, pause the video when I show you the picture. Pause the video, copy the question inside your exercise book, okay? Okay, so this is the question. Find the surface area of each solid. Draw a net if it helps. Means it is not compulsory for you to draw the net. If it's easy for you to calculate if you think it's easier for you to calculate the area later, so you draw the net. If you think you can do without the nets, then you don't have to, okay? So pause the video, copy the question. Please do 2 questions only. Okay? Alright.